Hey guys, Tim here, aka VS Custom from So Crawl. Now, I don't know about you, but I am getting so pumped that the nice weather is coming here up in Canada and we are starting to see some sunshine. Thank you. It's been a long winter. I think snow we've had about 6 months and I'm done. I'm done with it. I want to get out on the trails. I want to get out and have some fun. I just want to get outside. So, that's been making me push more, getting the rigs ready, get the MST done. Well, it's done, but get it running again. Just freshen everything up, get the D110 freshened up, and of course, finish the X3 XS01. I'm working away on that. So one of the areas, obviously, I've got my ESC, I've got the chassis, I've got everything else. I needed to pick a motor. Now, usually I run the Hackmoto V2 35 turn. I've never had a problem with these. I think they're a great motor. But as I'm looking around online the other day, what is the iRacing gone and done? They've come out with their new Hackmoto Just Climb motors. Now these are geared towards crawlers. I'm kind of pumped for them. I thought it looked the same. I got they're available in a 13 turn, 16 turn, and a 20 turn. So I'm thinking to myself, well, I usually run 55 turn, I usually run 35 turn on 3S. I'm kind of curious on how they're gonna be. So they showed up, and to me, out of the box, they look very similar. I mean, you're not that much different sticker. The back sides look different. I mean, this is green, this is black. Not that big of a difference until you actually turn it. Now, the original 35 turn, you can see that it's kind of clunky. If you go up a little bit, it doesn't want to keep going. It's a normal brushed motor in the sense of it's got 3 armatures in this, or 3 segments in the armature. That's what I'm trying to say. I think that's the right terminology. Don't quote me on it. I'm not a electric motor guy, I'm a gas motor guy. So that one has 3 segments in the armature. These new ones, they've gone with 5. So when you turn it, when you turn it, look at that, nice and smooth. I'm kind of pumped for this. I'm thinking, you know, when you edge up to that rock, you want to get up on it, you give it a little bit of throttle, give it too much, it lunges at you. Hopefully this one here, you'll be able to just pop a tire on, and you'll be able to go. So I'm kind of pumped to check these out. I'm hoping I'm not hitting it on 3S and, you know, ripping up the yard and doing catwalks again like I was with with brushless. But I'm definitely going to check these out. I'm going to run it in the MST and basically wire it up so I can run through all the motors and see what they're doing and see how they feel. So make sure you keep a watch out for that video. I just want to touch base with you guys and let you know about these new motors out from Yeah Racing. I'll give my full review on the next video. So like always, like, subscribe, and share. Follow along on Instagram under Tim Bluer, aka VS Customs. You can follow me on Facebook under the same Tim Bluer, aka VS Customs, or just click the like button here and follow along on here, and you'll see the next video. Cheers.